Okay, whakaalo whātu. Welcome back here for the Laumua gathering dinner. The bird.
Saudi Cup.
Sawadee Cup. Sebai di mai. We're here at Otahuhu, eh, bro?
Yeah. Secret Thai garden. Looks nice.
Jeez, pretty flash.
Here for the set menu.
I thought this place closed, eh? Set menu, $50 per person. Oh. Oh, better turn the camera off.
Record now. Natalie, got anything to say?
Camera's the whole way.
Is the right way?
Hello everybody, it's nice to be here with the family Secret Thai Garden. Thanks to Eliza and the committee for organising. It's really lovely to be here and see our family and everybody has a good time. Thank you.
Hey, lovely too. We're here at the Secret Thai Garden for dinner. Yeah, I'll ilahi for organising, Eliza.
Three words.
Hi.
Is that your words? You're waving a hand?
Are you live?
High five.
Hi guys. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Got a few words, cousins?
Hello everybody. We got a new man behind the camera there.
Yep.
Yeah.
St. Joe's.
No, just hello to all the family. All the family. It's gonna be good night. But not drink too much. Hey, you too?
Yeah.
What's your thumb?
That's really great.
Let us say something.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, fuck away.
Oh, well done. Well done, Stephen.
Fuck away, cameraman. Yeah.
Of the trip. It was hard work.
Hey, cuz. Hey. G'day, mate.
Come on, come on. I kept it.
Wow, we need to take the car too. What's this?
Gangsters do.
Ready?
Fuck away, lahi.
Oh, hey.
Huh? Oh, we didn't wear these.
So I just wanted to say thank you and appreciation for participating in our first boys activity. Thanks Christian for taking charge and taking over. So if I can get a photo of you guys wearing your hat.
Captain of the Leopard.
It's upside down. It's upside down.
Awesome. Thank you.
Fuck away.
Okay, everything's ready. So when you're ready, you can eat now.
Yeah, wanna get good?
Sorry.
No, all good.
Got a drink, bro?
Nah, I'm good, man. Herx.
It's enough, Ants.
Brother Herx always comes to all the Laumua catch-ups. This is the bar. We never. Nah, man, I'm good. I just water.
You don't want to wash it down there.
Nah, man. Yeah. But yeah, if I have some too fatty, I need a Coke. Yeah.
What's the health and duration period?
Down the road, 4 minutes.
First and foremost, just want to just welcome some who haven't been to these sort of get-togethers. Just a welcome to those that haven't been here in the past. I know Liza's already thanked the boys for their fishing trip, but just a big thank you to you guys organising all that and getting together. First of many to come, hopefully. So,
79 today, so happy birthday tomorrow. Have a shot when I get home. I'm ever driving now. Thank you, sister. Anyway, yeah, so thank you, everyone. Our next and probably our last one for this year will be in October. We'll get back to you when and where, and any suggestions, send it my way.
Finished. Awesome place. Look at this. Oh, here's the man himself, Herx. How was it?
It was good. Just finished eating in the rooms.
Go see if my car's still there. Yeah.